Alors, oula, beaucoup de choses à faire aujourd'hui. Alors, YouTube. Donc, on retourne sur Wu-Wei. Yu-Wei. Wu-Wei. Enfin bref, on retourne sur ce jeu. On va essayer d'invoquer le dieu du loot pour essayer d'avoir des personnages sympas. Déjà, il va farmer un minimum pour avoir des personnages sympas. Pour l'instant, on a eu zéro loot. Mais voilà, en tout cas, j'espère que vous allez bien, que vous avez passé une bonne journée. N'hésitez pas, hein, comme d'hab, à, si vous avez du live vous intéresse, à vous follow, à laisser un commentaire. Voilà, voilà, vous connaissez. Hier, parce que j'ai pas encore uploadé la vidéo, j'ai vu qu'on pouvait maintenant changer
I will be there for everyone as we
comment
head
dirais-je,
toward our
l'élément.
shared future,
Donc je l'ai mis
leaving
en
the
avoc.
past behind.
Alors pour l'instant ça sert à rien parce que j'ai pas du tout ce qu'il faut pour l'avoc. Si j'ai mis en avoc, mais ouais bref. Il va falloir que je ferme ça. Ah, les nouveaux trucs. Alors, on en était-je? Événement. Ah bah, oh bah tiens, des loots. Oh, c'est pas vraiment le loot que je voudrais, j'aurais voulu dégolder, mais... donc, on était ici, on était en train de faire les quêtes principales pour débloquer le censeur. Et je me rends compte que je vais commencer à fouiller un peu les maps avant de trop avancer dans le jeu, parce que sinon je vais finir par être perdu. Parce que là, 6, 9%, 18%. On va continuer un peu de quêtes, mais on va aussi... on va se faire 2 ou 3 quêtes principales, et après on farmera à mort.
Leave it to
Parce
me.
qu'on veut du loot. Cette petite aile là, j'adore.
I can't believe it.
One with the sounds.
Bon, finalement, le bonhomme il va plus... peut-être attendre d'avoir un truc en avoc avant de le changer.
I will be
Parce
there for
que j'ai
everyone
peur qu'en le
as
changeant
we head
trop
toward our
vite,
shared future, leaving the past behind.
que ça me porte préjudice. Donc... On va essayer de trouver... Oh bah tiens,
Master Tianxing,
t'es mort?
are you alright? This is my
Non,
first.
t'es pas mort. Véhicule de combat peut générer un mur de glace qui bloque les attaques à
Feels so
distance.
different here.
Ça tombe bien, je suis pas à distance.
Sounds come forth.
Ouais, vas-y, monte sur le mur, on fait comme chez toi. Non mais oh. Ah si, je croyais qu'il avait... Je me disais merde, il a pas de barre de vie, mais si, c'est bon.
I know another shipment of supplies has just arrived. I've confirmed it, but it's not nearly enough. We must reach out to the city again and demand more supplies immediately.
But the approval process is going to...
Tell them it's an emergency. We are working around the clock here. Any delay could mean the end of our defense. Do they not comprehend? Here's a list of what we need. I'll talk to them if you can't make them listen. Now go, go, go! Move, move! What is it? Why are we still not done distributing these? You new here? Are you backups too? Wait, you don't look like one of us.
I am Yang Yang, an outrider of the Midnight Rangers, and they are...
Excuse me, one moment, please. Careful! This chest holds vital medical supplies. If the wounded return and find no medicine, it's on you. Handle with care and precision. An outrider. So, you were part of the backup force, right? Now, I've got wounded soldiers coming soon, and you're just in time to help. Oh, sorry. Have to answer this. Yes, what is it? An overclocked resonator. Understood. I'll be there immediately. I'm sorry, could you do me a favor? The wounded soldiers are being sent back from the front lines. We need someone to escort them to the medics, but I've got to deal with the overclocked resonator now. Could you please take care of them?
What exactly do you need us to do?
Just make sure they are safe. The medics will take care of their wounds. Thank you.
It's so busy here. It looks like they don't even have the time to catch their breath.
Supplies, medical care, equipment maintenance, personnel management, and logistics. They must carefully manage these matters to provide vital support for our fighters.
So this is what a real war looks like. I had no idea it could get this bad.
Most people would never have the chance to witness any of this. It's natural for you not to know. I think this is exactly what our military strives for, to ensure peace and safety for our citizens. It's a sacrifice made so others don't have to live in fear.
T'inquiète, je suis là maintenant. Ça va chier des bucailles.
Are you all right?
I'm okay. I'm just a little out of breath. It's okay.
I'll go find a medic.
Like I said, it's not a big deal. No need to fix me up. Let me go!
Please calm down. Your wound is still bleeding.
That's barely a scratch. You can't stop me. That's not bravado. My wounds can close on their own. It's my resonance ability. The medics should go take care of other people in need.
Stop squirming, will you? We're here because you need our help. Calm down and stay where you are. Please hold him still for me.
Sure.
Ok. C'est tout, il y avait que 2 blessés?
Thank you for your assistance. You must be tired. Please, take some rest.
They look badly injured.
Don't worry. They've received proper treatment now. They'll recover in time. Thanks to General Jian, we've seen a significant drop in the number of casualties. I've heard from veterans that soldiers used to be ordinary people, not resonators. The battles were brutal even back then, with the stench of blood lingering through the rain. But things have improved. Each injury represents countless tacit discords eliminated by our brave soldiers. Resonators in the Midnight Rangers are incredible warriors. Those who have to retreat from injury must have already taken out hundreds of enemies.
They are the ones keeping our people safe. What I've been doing is not worth mentioning compared to them.
Please don't put it like that. Without your help, we couldn't have helped so many wounded soldiers in such a short time. Now that they're all safe, you should go and take care of your own issues.
Thank you. May I ask where the quartermaster is?
The quartermaster isn't here. He's on the floor above, directing munitions distribution. Just take that lift and you should find him there.
Rover, where are we going next?
Here are some recipes for dietary supplements from my sect. They might help the wounded recover sooner.
Oh, great. You have my thanks.
Elle adore filer de la bouffe à tout le monde. Allez, c'est parti. Alors, ça sert rien que pour moi. Ta 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 ta. La petite gourde dans le trou. Et tout va bien. Oula. Ah oui, putain, ça... Ah oui, la zone, elle a vachement agrandi. Ouais.
Have you confirmed the inventory? What about the spare list? Sort out the consumables as soon as possible and check our communication lines while you're at it. Ewa, deliver this list to Asher. You're not Ewa. Where is she? What do you need?
Excuse me. I'm an outrider of the Midnight Rangers. This is Rover, and this is Master Tianxing, who came here to look for someone.
Jinzhou is the gateway to Huanlong, and the Desert Rock Highland is the gateway to Jinzhou. A single breach could have dire consequences. Our defense must hold at all costs. The Tacit Discords are not humans. They don't do truces or ceasefires. For as long as they exist, this war will rage on endlessly. Supply is the lifeblood of our army, and I am tasked with keeping it flowing. But now we are facing a shortage. I saw you help arrange the wounded there. Yasholan would need your help more than I do. Thank you, but I must remain to oversee vital military supplies. Juyen. So, he never sent a letter home? Not even once? The Midnight Rangers are no longer recruiting non-resonators lately. But Juyen was a stubborn boy. Last year, when the battles hadn't gotten so intense, he would trail us rearguards, eager to join the front line. Now, we sent him back to the city time and time again, and he just kept finding ways to come back. Eventually, I caved and took him in to help us here in the base. With the battle escalating, it's getting increasingly dangerous out here. I shouldn't keep him here any longer. I was just thinking about having the logistics team bring him back to the city when you guys showed up. Oh, now I remember. He should be currently on the floor above.
Sure. Please excuse me. I'll join you later.
What are you doing?
C'est bon, t'inquiète, c'est juste un fruit, comme toi.
Oh, please excuse me. Thought that was a grenade. Is this a mangosteen? It's a type of old-fashioned explosive. The lament caused a global technological regression and shortage of resources. While Tacitite weapons were being developed, most people had limited knowledge of Tacitite as an energy source. As a result, primitive products combining old and new technology emerged. The hand grenade was one of them. With the rapid growth of Tacitite weapons, these crude explosives were eventually phased out in favor of more advanced weaponry. Well, it's not a local fruit, so we can only get it through imports. But with the recent Tacit Discord outbreaks, we've had to prioritize bringing in the essentials. We'll get back to importing more of these after General Jian makes his triumphant return. Currently, there's only one waterway open, from Port Gunchao in the south of the city. The rear guards would regularly go there to escort goods. What more do I know? The military rarely buys this fruit for rations due to its short shelf life. Plus, it looks too much like a grenade, and that could cause some issues.
Ouais, enfin, attends, entre la technologie de la grenade et les technologies avancées, comment t'as pu connaître ça? Enfin, je veux dire, t'as pas l'air vieux non plus, quoi. C'est quoi ça? Waouh, tous les nouveaux objets. Ah, je te jure, c'est... Je supporte pas les points rouges. Dégagez. Voilà. Parfait. Rouge pour
I
rouge.
will be there for everyone as we head toward
Ah,
our
oui, c'est
shared
vrai.
future, leaving the past behind.
Ça non, ça non. Est-ce que là, ça m'enlève... Oh putain, ça m'enlève pas le point rouge, ça m'énerve. Synthétiser. Tac, tac, tac. Événement, il y en a combien en cours en fait? Donc là, demain, j'ai Elsa, qui est un très très bon personnage. Enfin, du moins au début. Niveau 10, niveau 15, niveau 10, 15 qui est intéressant, 30. Ouais.
Master Tianxing, have you found the person you're looking for?
Yes, I found Zhuyan. We will return to the city with the logistics team. We will go find Mr. Zhang Ye to let him know he is safe. Zhuyan is a man full of courage. Influenced by his veteran grandpa's tales, he longs to join the military and aid in humanity's battle against tacit discords. The journey with you has exposed me to immense suffering, but the battles on the front line must be even more brutal than what I've witnessed. Countless lives have been lost in this war. Master Rongfu once told me, the best sages gain enlightenment in the military. The mediocre sages gain enlightenment in the bustling cities, and the worst sages gain enlightenment in seclusion. I do share some of Juyan's feelings. However, Juyan disagreed with the intense training and tests required to join the military. He saw no distinction between ordinary people and resonators, and believed he could contribute on the battlefield, however small that contribution might be. I too found what Juyan said was reasonable to an extent, and I couldn't change his mind with words. So I tried to imagine what my masters would do. They'd set up a spar in this case, and if I won, they'd let me do what I wanted. I didn't mean to beat him up for nothing. My masters taught me valuable lessons through sparring, and I gained important insights from those fights. Now, who do you think won that fight? The shape changes, but not the forms. The more it moves, the more it yields. Less thinking, more knowing. Simplify for clarity.
Ouais,
Yes,
on peut voir
I
ça.
pretended to lose, but Juyan saw it through. After our fight, Juyan admitted he saw the gap between resonators and ordinary people. He seemed to realize how he was still far from being able to fight the tacit discords. He realized how he was just trying to convince himself that he could make a difference, not wanting to acknowledge his own limitations. Fighting on the battlefield requires physical and mental strength, and he was not yet prepared for that. I heard you two still have other matters to attend to. When you have the time, let's catch up at Liu Shan Tea House. It's my great pleasure to have met you.
Ok, donc on a perdu notre chaperon. Là, il y a un cube, ce qui veut dire qu'il y a un truc à faire avec. Qu'est-ce que je pourrais faire avec un cube?
Seems like a new discovery.
Comment je l'envoie jusque là-haut? Ah. Attends, faut le monter comme ça, c'est ça? Ah, ok.
An unexpected discovery.
Ok, parfait. Il y a un truc de course.
Wind, guide
No.
me.
Us running into Master Tianxing was a one-off incident. If the Mangosteen indicates something about war, what is Madam Magistrate trying to convey? Have you thought of something, Rover?
I think.
So Madam Magistrate wants to tell us about the TD outbreak? If those tacit discords break through our defenses, it would be a disaster for not just Huanglong, but for all of humanity. We haven't reached the front lines yet, but I can already smell the iron in the air. I sense tension and unease. Our soldiers stationed at the borders.
General!
Follow the Qinglong to war! Bide the time.
Ouais, vas-y.
Stay sure.
Non, mais c'est bien, il était plus rapide. Ah, avec la casse, ça fait ça comment.
Fear no more.
Viens là que je te pète les genoux.
Retreat to advance.
Vas-y, F.
Don't you worry. Unstop. Retreat to advance. Break! Wind Rider.
Raté.
I can take it. Finale. Fear no more.
What's the matter? Are you all right? Oh, I was worried. You just stood there and gazed into the distance. You were unresponsive when I tried talking to you.
It felt as if I was seeing through the eyes of a tacit discord. I think I saw what was happening in the Norfall Barrens.
An imposing warrior wielding the power of a Qinglong. The Qinglong is the Midnight Ranger's emblem. It's also the symbol of General Tian, the leader of all Midnight Rangers. The front lines are not far from here. General Tian must be there, fighting alongside our soldiers to keep the tacit discords away. It doesn't seem like a coincidence. We arrived near the battlefield right when General Tian was leading an attack against the tacit discords. Your vision. It might be what was happening on the battlefield not far away. The battle itself is a clear sign of an anomaly. The streams from the Norfall Barrens feel more suffocating than ever. Rover, something on that battlefield must be connected to you, though we have no idea what it is. Resonate with tacit discords? Rover?
According to Baija, the leaf showed residual fluctuations of tacit discords.
Those fluctuations pointed to a certain set of coordinates.
And that is Teacher Village in the Central Plains.
Ouais, ça dit pas tout ce que... Ça dit pas ce que c'est la mangue en fait.
As I make myself reflect on my goals and plans, those voices in the streams become clearer, and everything starts to make more sense. Rover, perhaps you can give it a try.
Feuille touchée par l'érosion. Le guide est disponible maintenant pour consulter le tutoriel. Terminez la formation de base pour apprendre les techniques essentielles au combat. Vous pouvez entraîner vos compétences spéciales dans le niveau esquive, compétences d'outro. Ok, l'esquive. Bon, ça, l'esquive, ça va, je la maîtrise quand même à peu près.
Speeding up. Speeding up.
Mais c'est ce que j'ai fait.
Tempest, let the winds roar.
L'entraînement libre, il a été plus rapide. Oh, j'aime bien son épée. Ok, ça c'est quoi? Scène terminée, c'est quoi ça? Ah, c'est... Bah en vrai, je veux faire la quête pour débloquer le vol, parce que j'ai l'impression que le vol, on peut la débloquer assez tôt
I
dans
will
le
be
jeu.
there for everyone.
Attends, à moins que ça soit un truc... Merde, c'était quoi ce TJ? Quête événement. Quête tutoriel. Vous avez récupéré plusieurs antiquités appelées Botsonance. Il semblerait intéressant dans le machin qui... oui. Ouais, vas-y, on va faire ça tant qu'à faire. Est-ce qu'il y a un moyen de voir ce qui me manque à trouver dans la carte? Voilà. Donc j'ai 7% de coffre, les balises, boîte sonance, lieu d'intérêt et blob. Est-ce qu'il y a des... Pff, je pense que oui, mais... Des cartes interactives. Moi, je vais pas m'en servir, mais juste voir un peu ce que ça donne en termes de quête, enfin de... Ah oui, il y en a. Comme ça, si vraiment il me manque des coffres. Bah, autant c'était bien, honnêtement. Parce que parfois il manque un ou deux coffres et puis voilà en fait hein. C'est chiant de les chercher quoi.
Wind, guide me.
On a une gamme d'ici pour voir. Ok.
Remember to stop and look around as you explore.
Ah oui, c'est les cubes.
Maybe there are ancient relics on those faraway mountains. Who knows?
Ok, j'en ai trouvé que 3. Les défis peuvent utiliser le grappin pour révéler le défi, ok? Les élans, ça fait uniquement sur les toits. Il ne doit pas toucher le sol ni emprunter d'autres trajets. Bah, on va essayer, hein. Ouais, ça devrait être faisable. Merde. Ah, ne touchez pas le sol. Bah, j'ai pas touché le sol techniquement. Tu me prends pour un jambon de 3 semaines là? J'ai littéralement pas touché le sol.
Wind, guide me.
Je sais même pas où je vais aller. Oula, 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 oula.
Wind, guide me.
Ah, c'était là. Non. Ah, ça repop à l'infini.
Wind, guide me.
Où je suis censé aller? Là-bas. Ensuite... Bah oui, mais il s'est pas accroché ce fils de poubelle.
Wind, guide me.
Mais non, mais c'est pas ce que je voulais faire, punaise. Tu me chicotes les chicorées. Espèce de chicoteur, va. Ok. Donc là-bas. Ok. Ensuite. Non mais tu te fous de ma gueule là par contre.
Wind, guide me.
Ok. Ensuite. T'offres un exemplaire des 7 épées. J'ai obtenu la qualification pour participer aux choses du monde. Si tu veux, je peux t'aider à t'inscrire. J'ai reçu un nouveau concours. Un nouveau parcours, pardon. Il se trouve les parcours d'essai. Ok, d'accord. Ok. Si je les trouve, je les ferai. Je les trouve pas, je les ferai pas. Ouh,
Remnants of the past. Seems like a new discovery.
Ah, il y a encore un truc là. Mais je l'ai déjà fait ça. Ah non, c'est pas vrai. Ah, c'est le fameux parcours, c'est pas ça? Il y avait pas des trampolines à la base?
Wind, guide me.
Ok. Ok. Pourquoi je peux pas? trouver du bâtiment sans escalader. Ah mais là si je dois le faire que en sautant... Comment tu veux que je le fasse? Ouais, bon, bah, si je peux pas remonter, laisse tomber, quoi, en fait. C'est un concept, hein, ça, encore une fois, c'est de la bêtise. D'accord.
Seems like a new discovery.
D'accord. Donc, en fait, là, je peux plus remonter. Ouais, c'est bon. J'ai pas envie de me faire chier, hein, vraiment, hein, je te dis. Hein. Moi, je veux jouer shield, hein, je veux pas me casser les couilles. Hein. C'est pas passer 3 heures là-dessus. Quand ça n'a pas de logique, ça sert à rien de se prendre la tête. Hop, on va revenir là-dessus. Tac. Et après, j'explorerai. Hop. Merde, c'est pas ce que je voulais faire. Hop. Alors.
This must be the place.
C'est pas là où il y
I
avait le mec
sensed
niveau
something
25 qui a
ominous
voulu me
from the
démonter
leaf
hier.
back there, but I couldn't pinpoint its source. And now, the hatred and pain is so strong in this place.
Chaque zone offre des bonus spécifiques. Ah oui, 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 je vois ça.
I don't even need to concentrate to feel it.
Coucou
Rover,
les filles.
something terrible must have happened here. We have to be cautious. This is the Tacet field. Let's take out those Tacet discords first. Let me be your blade.
The end has come. I sense your weakness. One with the sounds. Leave it to me. Strike in the shadows. One with the sounds. I sense your weakness. Moment of resonance.
Oh, bring it on! Flame on!
Swift and resolute. No hesitation. One with the sounds.
Let me be your blade.
Swift and resolute. Strike in the shadows.
I think I found something, Rover.
C'est chelou ça.
Watch out! Something's not right. Why wouldn't it attack us?
Help! Brother. Brother! Help! 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 Help!
It seems to only repeat these lines. This is not a common tacit discord. Tacit discords attack other living beings because they need to feed on those frequencies to make themselves whole again. When frequencies are scattered and recombined, a new tacit discord is born. This one probably devoured the frequencies of humans, turning the last bits of a human's consciousness into such monotonous mumbles. Are these words the last cries of someone innocent? Who is behind this twisted plot? I'm sorry. No, that's beyond my ability. I just sensed some complex feelings from it. A mixture of deep sadness and eager anticipation. Rover, I think I know what's going on here. It seems to be begging for help, but it's not asking us to help it. I can sense the pained cries of this tacit discord. No, the cries of this whole village. The village is crying, waiting for rescue. Something truly awful must have happened here, and the victims' reverberations still linger. Based on the evidence we've found and the condition of these ruins, that didn't happen all too long ago. I can still feel it in the streams. Perhaps the tacit field has kept this village from being discovered. Or maybe someone has been intentionally concealing it. Anyway, there must be something we can do. We may find the victims nearby. I can feel someone connected to what happened here is still close. This place is dangerous. I'll inform Chuzia about what happened here. Can we continue our search before the official investigators arrive? Sorry, I know it doesn't sound very convincing. It's just a hunch of mine, and I don't have any evidence to back it up. Thank you, Rover. Please stay vigilant. As for the little one here, let's leave it be.
Ok. Inspecteur. Inspecteur
The
Bernabé.
area is a mess, but it doesn't look like a war zone. Someone was hurt and dragged away. Look, there are many footprints here. These are traces left by a fight. Someone was injured.
Du centre de transport lors de la quête principale, ce qui brûle sous les... Là, j'ai l'impression que je peux quand même le faire. Personnage exclusif disponible. Durant la récompense. Atteindre le niveau d'Union 14 et activer le Nexus de l'Académie. Ça, à mon avis, le faire en 14 jours, ça va être compliqué. Oh là là, tous les événements. À la recherche du jade. perdu. C'est quoi ça? Ah non, non, non. Non, mais c'est juste qu'il y avait un truc rond. Oh putain. Ils vont faire encore n'importe quoi. Ah, ok. Fusiller à la politique. Nanana. C'est oui, allez. C'est un mini-jeu à la con que je peux faire. Ok, d'accord. Cliquez sur n'importe où pour fermer. Cliquez ici pour voir les détails du défi. Vas-y, c'est quoi? Clique à l'écran et glisse-le vers le haut. N'oublie pas de cliquer, sinon vous tombez très vite. Des crédits bonus sont dissipés sur le chemin, ne les manquez pas. Ah, c'est... Je connais ce petit jeu. Ok. Si c'est aussi con et aussi facile que ça, pourquoi pas, vas-y. Hein. Au moins, ça me fera un événement fini. Hein. C'est bien, genre de petit défi à la con comme ça, le truc qui te prend 10 minutes à faire, mais au moins c'est sympa. Ça te fait changer un peu du farm habituel. Oh merde. Ah bah je fais n'importe quoi. Mais je refais la même connerie. Je rêve, je me fais attaquer par des missiles, what the fuck, c'est quoi ce jeu? Ah merde. Ah, j'ai quand même réussi. Bon bah écoute. Si j'ai réussi, hein. Par contre, sur les trucs d'invocation, ils sont pas très généreux. Merde. Ouais, alors là, j'ai été vraiment... Ah. Ok. Ah, non, 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 ok, c'est bon, j'ai compris. En fait, le problème, c'est que je sais pas en bas si le nuage, il était considéré comme un... Ah putain, oui, d'accord, donc il faut vraiment... Attends, si je fais ça comme ça... Ok, il faut vraiment prévoir le... Oh la vache. Ouf. Ah, voulez-vous réduire la difficulté? Non, 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 bah non. Ce jeu est pas dur, c'est juste qu'il faut juste... Ah ouais, mais là, il m'a... Là, c'est le truc qui m'a stressé, je me suis dit merde, je vais me faire... Ah non, merde. En fait, il faut vraiment avancer haut. Non, trop, ok. Ok, le... Non. Oh, j'ai hésité. Ah, j'ai fait nappe. Ah, je peux le prendre. Ah, ok. Ah, j'avais pas fait gaffe. Bon, c'est un malus, hein, certes, mais je peux le prendre quand même. Eh ben dis donc, ouais, ça commence à... Entre le 4 et le 5, ouais. Oh la saloperie, je m'en doutais qu'il y avait un piège à con là-dessus. Oh, ça commence à devenir de plus en plus long là. On a parqué pour faire un clic ici pour voir le classement. Le niveau de score est débloqué, essayez-le. Bon, ça après, le kikimeter, je m'en fous un peu vraiment. Je m'attends à une connerie, mais vraiment monumentale. Ouais. Il n'y a pas de récompense à gagner? Non, il n'y a pas de récompense, ok. C'est sympa, c'est choisir un personnage. Ah, tout s'en fout. Ok, donc ça c'est fait. Tac. Encore un événement. Re-événement. Ouais, wesh. J'aurais jamais le temps de monter ce qu'il demande avant la fin des événements, je pense. À moins que je travaille comme un dingue, mais ça va être compliqué.
Ritualistic wooden plaques. But why are they here? These plaques are usually placed in ancestral shrines. They seem to belong to a different time. I remember reading about something like this. People held large-scale ancient rituals periodically in their villages, driven by certain beliefs.
I see. Let's check somewhere else.
Ouais. Allons vérifier ailleurs.
These cards. The Fraxidus is likely behind it all.
The Fraxidus?
Yes. I don't know much about the Fraxidus, but as an outrider, I've worked on related cases. It's a group of extremists obsessed with fusing humans with tacit discords. They've caused terror attacks of various scales around the world.
Fusing humans and tacit discords.
We've seen signs of their presence in Jinzhou, left by lower-ranked members called Artificers. Above the Artificers are the Overseers, leaders with eerie abilities and unknown intentions. They pose a far bigger threat. No one knows their true intentions. Some members speak of world destruction, while others claim they seek eternal power. And there is one particularly insane overseer. He's crazy even by Fraxidus standards. A man who sees no order and revels in destruction. I've seen similar cards in the physical evidence file of the Fraxidus-related cases. They belong to this one overseer I'm talking about. They call if he's responsible for what happened to these villagers. Who knows what kind of cruel and twisted atrocities he's capable of.
Ouais, je me souviens de ce boss.
Huh?
Qu'est-ce qu'il fout là, le chat?
Guess you won't need my self-introduction. Oh, I spent so much time on it.
Viens vers Octogone. Je te pète les jambes.
If you need to hear it from me, then yes, I am Scar. Cruel and twisted maniac. We deserve a meeting free of such disturbances, don't you agree? The girl, she's gonna sway your judgment. Aw, so you really care about her.
Pas plus que ça. Je l'ai connu il y a pas longtemps en plus.
Don't
donc,
worry. I don't plan to make you hate me just yet. She is safe now. Well, let's just enjoy our time together for the moment. Forget about that irrelevant person, will you? I have to begin with. I heard you've lost your memories. Indeed. I'll tell you then. Before you knew anything about this world, you were already the center of conflict. You are the unknown variable we've been waiting for. Forces have been fighting for possession over you. From the moment you opened your eyes, everyone you've met, including that girl you care so much about, they all knew how valuable you are. The world is a cruel place. You are a living, breathing person, but you're just a pawn to many. That's why I'm here, because I see you as a dear friend. And I want to tell you the truth. The truth hurts sometimes. I know you are not one I can sway with simple words. My goal is simple. I just want to deepen our mutual understanding, nothing more. Come on. Observe the surroundings a little more and tell me what you see. As you learn more about this world, your true desires will surface. And our little game will become even more entertaining. And before that, I don't want anyone to disturb my precious alone time with you. That's all. Why do you have to assume we are the culprits?
Parce que t'es coupable.
Maybe you should be asking me what actually happened here. I won't tell you everything just yet. That's too boring. As I said, why don't you take a look around and see for yourself? So go ahead. What do you see? Bravo! Didn't think you'd catch on to that. Now, what is the conclusion you've drawn? Ah, how typical. The age-old tale of savage wolves and helpless lambs. Good and evil as clear as day. It's a tired story that people cling to in their mundane lives. Oh, how it keeps them in check. But let me ask you this. Do you truly believe the real world can be that simple? Let me give you a couple more tips. The truth is far more complicated than you think. First, who are the players in our tale? An innocent girl, a revered leader, and a flock of simple villagers. Next, what makes up our main plot? False devotion, fleeting kindness, collective deceit, senseless killings, and the one vulnerable soul pushed onto a path of destruction by the masses. Now, Rover, the story is yours to spin. I'm eager to hear your version after you've learned more.
Cela fait 2 mois que nous avons emménagé dans notre nouvelle maison, ancienne maison. Envahi par de nombreux horribles monstres, nous avons fait un long voyage pour trouver une deuxième. J'ai demandé à mon père s'il voulait rejoindre. Il m'a dit qu'il n'arrivait pas à me voir très bientôt. J'espère que maman et papa sont bientôt dans notre nouvelle maison. Il fait clair ici, avec de grands péchés. La vie est animée. Même si les gens y sont rarement. Pour moi, le plus important, c'est que papa et maman me retrouvent. Aujourd'hui, c'est l'anniversaire de tout le monde est très gentil avec moi. Il dit que je suis un porte-bonheur parce que je peux éloigner les monstres. Je suis très heureux que tout le monde m'apprécie aujourd'hui. J'ai mangé un gâteau de nouilles. Pardon. Longue vie, j'ai reçu des cadeaux. Cela fait très longtemps que je n'ai pas vu mon papa et ma maman. Et qui ne reviendront un jour. Pourquoi leur nom est... C'est mon 4e anniversaire ici. Le chef du village m'a officiellement adopté comme fille adoptive. Bien qu'avant cela, j'ai également été prise en charge par tout le monde. J'ai grandi en mangeant sans repas. Mon père m'a dit que j'étais un enfant de la ville et que je devais être reconnaissant d'être né en tant qu'enfant de Kiki. J'ai de la chance d'être admis par tant de gens. Bien que mon pouvoir soit encore très faible, je ferai de mon mieux, je ferai tout ce qui est mon pouvoir pour protéger la vie de l'attaque. Ouais, mais ça donne pas
Our
plus
story begins here. Once upon a time, in a peaceful village, lived a flock of carefree lambs. In the day, they toiled for food. And when evening fell, they sought refuge from the looming threat of wolves.
Tu racontes bien, dis donc.
Fables. Stories told and retold through the ages. But they always draw from real life, don't they? The same story gets told by many, and each person brings their own spin.
Je connais cette théorie.
Whatever you learn from it is just one of countless different interpretations. Like us now, caught in a carefully crafted plotline, a scheme I had no hand in. This village marks the beginning of my story with Jinzhou. So that magistrate led you here to meet me. Such a clever move on her part.
Interroger ça et trouver les indices. Ah, vas-y. de petits papiers aveux. La plupart sont trempés et illisibles. Est-ce que ça marche vraiment? J'aimerais pouvoir me lever à nouveau, je pense. Si je pouvais, pardon. Je veux de l'argent. Je veux de l'argent. Je veux que l'argent que je ne pourrai pas dépenser pour le reste de ma vie. Oh, c'est incroyable, merci. Ma jambe est vraiment établie. Pourquoi ma mère a-t-elle laissé une fortune après sa mort? Mais je ne veux pas l'utiliser. Pour réaliser mon souhait, je veux que ma mère revienne. Je veux que mon revienne. Père, sûrement. C'est étranger. C'est étrange. Mon corps était déjà trop fort. Après le traitement... mais derrière moi, il semble s'affaiblir à nouveau et mon corps ne semble pas être capable de faire quoi que ce soit. Est-ce que parce que je n'ai pas assez donné de je sais pas quoi? S'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, s'il vous plaît, ne m'enlevez pas mon souhait, je paierai n'importe quel prix. Est-ce vraiment ce que nous voulons tous? Je sais pas. Enfoui dans la pouffe.
One day, a shepherd visited the village. The shepherd brought them promises of abundance and protection. The lambs, drawn in by his words, soon lived in comfort and security. Nope, quite the opposite. The shepherd's arrival is only the beginning. With a wave of his hand, the shepherd could grant their every wish. His flock obeyed, bowing their heads, pleading for better food and shelter. They no longer had to struggle for survival, as their once meager lives were replaced with endless luxury. The flock worshipped their shepherd-turned-god, praising him and holding him in the highest regard. What's wrong? Does my story make you uncomfortable? Imagine you were one of those lambs, facing irresistible temptation and pressure from your peers. Wouldn't you bow down and beg for food from your master? Oh, so we agree already. You are right. But the world we live in falls short of our ideals. The shepherd still reigns, and the lambs have grown complacent. It's up to the two of us to make that ideal world our...
Ah, par contre, je viens de voir l'heure. Et je vais devoir m'arrêter là, malheureusement. Tac, tac, tac. Je sais pas, je crois qu'on... soit on reprend ce soir. Ah non, c'est... comment dirais-je? C'est Gleichstessen ce soir. Hop. En tout cas, merci d'avoir regardé le stream. C'était un petit stream, malheureusement. J'ai un rendez-vous là dans 20 minutes. Mais c'est bien aussi les petits streams aussi parfois. Donc on se retrouve pas pour une prochaine vidéo, hein, tout simplement. Je vous souhaite bonne soirée. Prenez soin de vous, des bisous. Et à la prochaine. Bye bye.